More than 200 people walked the walk Friday in Chambersburg for mental health. Fear walked with them. Fear about cuts in the Pennsylvania state budget and a new competitive block grant that would pay for county human services.
Another problem with the block grant is it ends up pitting people against each other. There's going to be this tremendous type of infighting. So instead of people with cross-disability working together to solve issues, it's going to be people essentially in a money grab. And it's really going to be unfortunate that instead of funding the needs that people have, instead they put money in the block grant, cut it by 20%, and then said to people, just do the best you can. And nobody's taking a bigger hit in this process than people with mental illness. Nobody. The system is getting gutted. And the community services system that people have worked so hard to set up and has been a model nationally, Pennsylvania has been a model nationally, is getting gutted. People who were in state hospitals, who no longer live in state hospitals, that live among us in the community, they're going to have problems as part of these cuts. If it's not the good news, the less bad news is that these decisions aren't final yet. And we still have the opportunity to change the future. Every single one of you, if you don't know, you need to find out who your legislator is, who your state representative is, and who your state senator is. Wear the t-shirt. Make it personal, because it is personal. You need to go and say, let me talk to you about why this is important to me and my family. How I've been impacted by mental illness, by substance abuse, and how the services that I have gotten that have been paid for by state and county funds have made a difference. How I'm able to work, how I'm able to live more independently, how I'm not hospitalized. Whatever your story is, you need to tell that story. And you need to tell it to the legislators, you need to tell it to your family and friends who may not know about it, and ask them to go say, here's why it's important.
Well, you have your marching orders. How many of you are going to make an appointment with Rob Kaufman? That's it? Come on now. Come on. Make an appointment with the man. Make an appointment with Todd Rock. Call them up and make an appointment. Barry Muntz, right over here, our CSP program coordinator, is going to call and make an appointment with them and see if we can get them to meet with us. Let's do this thing. Let's rock Todd Rock. Let's tell them what it's like.